This is the DI1000 fiber inspection scope. First, make sure Connector View is installed on your Windows PC. You can download the latest version from Lightel's website. I'll plug in my DI1000 to the USB port. Here's a universal 2.5 millimeter tip for male connectors. Secure that onto the probe by attaching it and twisting a lock nut until it's tight. This is a standard SC connector, male. Insert the connector into the scope. To focus the image, use the focus knob to achieve a clear image. Obviously this connector is dirty, so I will take it out, clean it. Go ahead and, once you've cleaned it, re-inspect the fiber and achieve a clear image. You can put notes, save the image if you need to, and that's how you inspect with the DI1000.